Hi, I'm Donna and this is Budget Friendly Cooking. Today we're going to make very simple and very colorful salad. This is one of my favorite summer salads because I love the color combination of yellow, green, and red. So we are using corn, red bell pepper, and green beans, and we're gonna dress up with just simple apple cider vinegar and olive oil, salt and pepper, and maybe cilantro. That will be good. So we're cooking outside today because it's beautiful, it's summer, it's gorgeous. This is my little patio with a table and chairs. I love coming here, sitting here and having dinner, or I don't usually cook here, but you know. So these are our ingredients: corn, red bell pepper, green beans, and cilantro. So you can add either shallot or red onion. So I already cooked green beans. These are haricot, French green beans called haricot birds, yeah, and I like the texture of those more than regular green beans, but if you cannot find them, you can always use regular green beans for that. And in summer, corn season is here, so there are tons of corn in the supermarket, so this salad will cost you under $10. So I wanted to mention my t-shirt that my daughter designed. If you like it, you can check more designs on her website, sublime.com, and you can pick very cool and very edgy designs that she created. You can make the salad in 5 minutes, literally. After you cook them, corn for 5 minutes. You just need to boil the water, put corn. I like to cut it in half, break it into 2 parts because it's easier to cut the kernels. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar because it gives really nice. Oh, that was a little more, but it's okay. And then about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, maybe 3. Yeah, let's do 3. And that's it. Because I just like fresh herbs. And if you like a little spicy, you can always add a little bit of jalapeno. All right, and let's move it in our serving bowl. So that should be enough for 2 or 3 people. I think so, yeah. And you can have the salad just as is, or serve it with grilled chicken or some fish. That'll be perfect. Very good summer salad. See, like it took me about 10 minutes to prepare it, including the boiling time. This was our green bean salad with red bell pepper and corn, seasoned with salt, pepper, apple cider vinegar, and olive oil. And I added a little bit of shallot and cilantro. So if you like this episode, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.